Hello world, how you doing guys? We are in Ubud today. It's already after 5 p.m. It was raining all day long and we have a coffee break.
When I look back I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.
In the past few days, we showed you how the tourist spot, for example, like Kuta, Legian, Canggu, and how busy the place, you know. And now we decided to go to Ubud, and here we will stroll around and walk around to show you how it is in Ubud now. So is it busy? It's just like a Canggu or Kuta Legian, or still quiet?
So I come here to show you the situation on the market because the market is demolished already, market in Ubud of this traditional market, and suddenly start raining, so I hope so I'm not gonna get wet. Anyway, the market used to be here behind everywhere, the building, and it's gone. It's gonna be brand new building after so many years. It's totally demolished, and the sellers, only few who have space, they're selling their clothes on the street, basically on the fence. Meanwhile, general situation on the Ubud Street also like this. There are several tourists walking around, like this guide, for example, and meanwhile the rest looks like this, guys. So I stopped here to show you a little bit around, meanwhile waiting when rains. As you see, and over some tourists here. People are tidying up their gears because the rain started. Check this out. It's going to be rainy, and there is the huge bulldozer over there destroying the market. That's what left from the market situation. So this is end of some era in Ubud. That's for sure, especially for people who used to coming here for ages. There will be never ever the same. In Ganyar, actually this is Ganyar Regency. Ubud belongs to Ganyar Regency, and it's happened exactly the same. They built a new market where it was the night market in Ganyar. Forgot the real name of the proper name of this, but that belongs to the same regency, and seems like it's gonna be huge change. That was the market. I used to do even live stream 3 weeks ago here, and I was still so busy, but now everything here is literally gone. And this is just the memory. Check this out. Demolished. There will be like some huge construction here for another some time, so much metal, and in general situation looks like this. A lot of changes here. There used to be building with the paintings, and there was so many everything. Now looks a little bit messy. So guys, the old art market in Ubud is just the memories. Actually, I make so many videos of how it used to be, so you can still always watch it, but this is like a documentary that was just the past, and now it's just huge construction site. And now only what I can do, I can recording progress of the brand new art market in Ubud. I just come here even if it's rainy because it's worth to show you. Okay, I'm gonna come back to Winnie and we're gonna show you a little bit more of changes in Ubud. Let's see what's going on. Only now people can say hello. Welcome to Bali. Hello. Hello. Bali. Only people selling on the streets. Very hard. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, vibe is still good. I don't know what the rest of the sellers actually doing because there are only few of them. Look, check this out. It's actually, I don't know, little bit sad, but this is like a cost of the progress, right? Cost of the development. All right, it's rain. I'm get a little bit wet, but also some people come to the warung, so that's good. At least something is happening, right? I mean, my situation on the streets.
Okay guys, so this is the main street in Ubud, Jalan Raya Ubud, and you see that so many the vendors nowadays, they are selling on the street. And I think, yeah, if you can see from the traffic is getting busier, but I don't know, maybe the tourists already coming back here.
So the one foreigner ladies working there. And well, definitely it's more businesses opened now, right now, even it's already like nearly 6 o'clock and it's rainy day, but still seems like it's definitely busier than it used to be, of course, for, well, so many months, actually 2 years. So seems like slightly situation is better and better everywhere in Bali right now, including Ubud. Meanwhile, check this out, little traffic on the street. La Casa, people coming, people driving, so.
Okay guys, as you see behind me, there are some shop like boutique shop, souvenir shop, and everything's already back to business. So it means like some tourists are already coming to Ubud, and seems like, yeah, just like behind me guys. So now we are in Jalan Hanuman Ubud, and this area is also famous for the shopping centers.
So Winnie is going to the
30% discounts. Let's
to the
go.
30% discount boutique. So yeah, and I think actually as this boutique was closed when I was making a live stream here like 2 weeks ago, there's some guy. And
Thank
also,
you.
check this out, not so bad. So do you remember the Black Beach cafe there? This was the long video. Hello. I mean, the first video what got many views. Long time ago at the beginning, 2020. Sayang, did you buy something?
No.
Why?
So one dress, I saw that one dress cost you 1.5 million, so 30% discount, still expensive lah. So yeah, I better go.
What's the average prices of the dresses in Bali lah? Like your skirt or stuff like
my
this?
skirt, I just bought it for 70k. And this one, I just bought this one 100k.
So the average price is like 100, 300?
Yeah, so if I bought that dress 1 million something, so it means that I can buy 10 of this or maybe 5 of this.
So Sayang, where do you buying these dresses in general? Because so many ladies asking me always.
Just shop on the street.
Like this ones? Like this one?
Kind of, but I bargain it with a special local price.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
So how about you will open one day the monkey boutique lah,
Oh,
for the
wow.
ladies who watching us?
Oh wow, that is a good idea. Maybe, you know, like I can buy something for the from the local vendors, and then yeah, at least that I support them, and also I help you also guys to buy this kind of shirt with the local maids and everything. That's really brilliant idea. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. So you see how it is now, the progress, the situation regarding to the tourism. But seems like Ubud Center especially is not as busy as Canggu and other Seminyak somehow. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na, na, na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me